Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. So when I found out Milk was coming out with a new concealer, I had to purchase it just because I've only tried their primer and also their setting spray, which I love, and I want to see if their other products are as good. And so this was released on September 8th and I made my purchase on the Sephora website. I picked up two shades. So I have 160 olive and 20 olive. So on the Sephora website, this is described as a multi-use medium to full coverage concealer that covers, sculpts, and hydrates for a lightweight, crease-proof, natural finish. This also claims to last for up to 12 hours, and of course, Milk is clean at Sephora. So this comes in 30 shades. You get a total of 8.5 ml. Now this retails for 38 Canadian and 29 USD. So I picked up two shades just because I like to use one to conceal and the other one to highlight. So I'm hoping these are going to work. For the packaging, this is pretty standard. I feel like Milk always has something like this on all of their packaging, and I think it's a nice touch that they added the color at the top of the box and also on the side. I'm a little bit worried because I feel like this might be a good shade because it's pretty close to my skin tone, but this one looks really red. Yeah, I was wrong because this is completely different than what was on the packaging. It's just, look at that. So this is what it looks like. I think it's pretty cute. I like what they did. You have again the logo, you have the same information that was on the box, and then at the bottom you have the shade here. So this one is described as a medium tan with olive undertone. 20 is described as tan with olive undertones. Okay, so both have olive undertone, which is what I prefer. So let's just open it and see. Now you do get 8.5 ml. The first time I saw this, I was worried that you would get close to nothing because I have the Pat McGrath, which is this one from Pat McGrath, and you only get 5 ml in this one, and it's more expensive than the Milk. So I like it though, but still, it's just, you barely get anything compared to this. Okay, so this is the 20 olive. I'll swatch it. This feels really soft. Okay, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. So this is the 20 and this is the 16. 20, 16. I love the undertone for both. I was expecting both of them to be a little bit darker based on the pictures, but it's okay. I just want to compare them to the concealers that I already have and love. So I'm going to compare the 20 to the Pat McGrath just to see, because I feel like they look pretty similar, but I think the Pat McGrath is probably darker. This is the Pat McGrath, and then this is the Milk. But I think these are, oof, they're beautiful together. Now I already know this one's gonna be a lot darker because it's the darkest shade that I have, which is pretty much my skin color. So I'm still gonna put it on my hand so you can see the difference. And this one is a Too Faced, this is a Pat McGrath, and then this is the Milk 20. I want to compare the 16 to the Makeup Forever. Okay, so this is the Makeup Forever, and then this is the Milk. Yeah, I prefer this shade. I feel like, I mean, this is full coverage and this is medium to full, so we'll see. I think the 20 is too light already, just on its own, because it's closer to my Pat McGrath. So I think, let's give it a try. I'll try a little bit of that. Yeah, it's already too light. So usually when I put my concealer, I like to go with a shade like this one. So I'm going to do that on the other eye just to show you what I mean. Okay, just to conceal, and I'll also put that on my lid. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead and nose bridge. I'm happy with it so far. Okay, now I can use the 20. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. It's a beautiful shade. I want to put some on my lids too. Oh, the applicator is so soft. Look how thick this is. Beautiful. Okay, going to put that on my nose bridge. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, I think I'm putting too much. I'm getting excited. Okay, so I'm going to start with my forehead and nose bridge. See what I get. Oh, it's melting. It's like you can't even tell that I put that. Okay, I'm just going to blend this just to see what it looks like. Okay, it's pretty lightweight. It's not bad. It's actually not bad. I don't think I can just use it on its own. You can still see some of the, you know, my dark circles, but it's blending really well. It looks good. Like if you want to do a no makeup, I think this is a nice concealer to use. And it just blends easily too. So I'm going to blend this now and then we'll go on top with the 16. Why not? Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, you could definitely stop here, but I want it to be a little bit brighter. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, I know it's a lot, but I want to see. So let's try the 16 on top of everything. And I'm not going to put a lot of that one, just enough. Okay, let's see if this will give me the brightness that I'm looking for. I'll leave it at that, and then I'll just put a little bit of that too on my forehead and then nose bridge. That much. I want to have more coverage, so I want to see if I can just let it dry a little bit and then see if I get a different result. I'm going to blend the concealer, and I'm going to start with my forehead and nose bridge. I mean, look, it's already gone. Definitely lightweight. I don't think this is full coverage. I don't know, maybe I need to wait a little bit longer, but this is not giving me full coverage. Yeah, I don't think this is full coverage. 16 is okay. I prefer my Makeup Forever because Makeup Forever is full coverage and you just need a little dot. So whenever I'm setting my highlight, I like to use a sponge, but when I did my review of the setting powder from Haus Labs, a couple of you suggested I use a brush instead. The mesh makes it harder to pick up the product if you're using a sponge. Maybe I should just use a smaller brush, but this is looking good. Okay, liking it so far. This concealer is lightweight. It has a beautiful finish. I love that. But I don't think it is full coverage, at least compared to the other full coverage concealers that I have, or even compared to the medium to full coverage concealer that I have. Now, if you want a concealer for a no makeup, or you want to spot conceal, you want something that is skin-like, this is for you. Out of the two shades that I purchased, I prefer the 20. I feel like it's pretty close to the other shades that I have in my collection. Now, the 16 is not really doing it for me. I think I might switch that one for another shade that is closer to my skin tone. Maybe I can do a no makeup with that, or spot conceal. So that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to let me know what you think down below. Will you be trying the concealer? I don't know, do you need it? Let me know down below. If you haven't done it already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.